Whether you live in a small apartment or you're embarking on an adventure, having a reliable way to dry your clothes is a basic need. Thanks to their functionality and convenience, portable dryers are more popular than ever, but which is right for your needs? We considered quality and value to narrow down the best choices possible and bring you our picks for the top 7 best portable clothes dryers available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer. The Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer is a handy choice for those living in small spaces or constantly on the move. It's quiet, easy to use, and can be hung on a door, which is a big plus for RV dwellers, apartment residents, or frequent travelers. You just hang your wet clothes in the bag, zip it up, and start the drying cycle. The dryer's efficiency varies with the load size. Drying a single outfit may take 1 to 2 hours, while heavier items like jeans could take longer. Although it may take a while to dry bulkier loads, the convenience of having a personal dryer outweighs the weight. It's also worth noting the dryer can also heat up the surrounding area, which could either be a positive or negative, depending on the situation. Its compact design shines in hotels or on camping trips, although an extension cord might be needed for the best placement. In situations where typical drying isn't possible, the portable dryer comes in handy. It's a solid backup or supplemental dryer for light laundry loads or when traditional laundry options are out of reach. With a bit of planning, like using fabric softener to reduce wrinkles or placing heavy-duty garments on a higher setting for longer, it's easy to make the most out of this portable dryer. Number 6. KASYDoFF Portable Dryer. The KASYDoFF Portable Dryer serves as a practical alternative for individuals seeking a convenient yet effective solution, especially when traditional dryers are not an option. We appreciate the ease of setup, though some initially struggled with the assembly instructions. However, once assembled, the process is straightforward. Load the clothes, set the timer, and let it work. A notable advantage is its capacity to handle a decent load, drying a variety of items from small undergarments to larger clothing pieces. Although drying times are longer, the thorough drying and being able to set a timer count as positives. Moreover, the mild heat generated can be a bonus as it's gentle on delicate fabrics, helping to preserve the longevity of your garments. The remote control is a nice touch, adding to the ease of use. For those living in apartments or places without dryer hookups, this portable dryer is a solid choice. It's not just about drying clothes, it's about the convenience, the savings on laundry expenses, and a step towards self-sufficiency in managing laundry chores. Overall, this portable dryer is a reliable companion for tackling laundry in a user-friendly and economical way. Number 5. Dessiz Digital Control Compact Laundry Dryer. The Dessiz Digital Control Compact Laundry Dryer is lauded for its impressive drying performance in a compact design, ideal for small apartments or RVs. It's easy to appreciate its convenient portability and ease of installation in small areas. The dryer heats up quickly as well, drying clothes efficiently, and some users even find it outperforms larger dryers they've had before. Its user-friendly knob-designed button simplifies operation, making it easy to use without complex controls. Despite its power, the dryer operates quietly at about 60 decibels, allowing for a peaceful environment during its operation. The dryer's versatility is notable, with some users mentioning its potential use in mudrooms for wet swimsuits or snowsuits, though basic considerations include proper venting and not leaving it unattended during operation. With a 12-month warranty, the Dessiz Digital Control Compact Laundry Dryer emerges as a reliable and efficient drying solution for those with space constraints, providing good performance without occupying much space. Number 4. Meticuloso Electric Clothes Spin Dryer Portable Mini Dryer. The Meticuloso Electric Clothes Spin Dryer is a compact portable spin dryer designed to extract excess water from clothes, aiding in faster air drying. It operates on 110 volts with a power of 190 watts and has a capacity of 2 kilograms per load. It's not a conventional dryer as it doesn't heat dry, but spins at a high speed of 1300 rotations per minute for about 6 minutes to remove moisture, reducing air drying time significantly. The dryer also features a Blu-ray designed to sterilize clothes at a rate of 99% during the spin cycle. With its specified loading instructions to ensure balance, it's an efficient choice for small loads, offering a quick way to expedite the drying process, particularly useful in spaces or situations where conventional drying isn't feasible. Number 3. Panda 110V 850W Electric Compact Portable. Ideal for small spaces like apartments or as a secondary dryer in homes, this compact dryer is suited for small loads with a maximum capacity of 5.5 pounds. It features efficient drying, quiet operation, and ease of use via a single timer for temperature control. Some users may find the removal of the lint filter to be challenging, but the dryer performs well despite this minor inconvenience. Its durability and the availability of replacement parts makes maintenance straightforward. Overall, it stands as a cost-effective and compact solution for everyday laundry needs. Number 2. Euhomy Compact Portable Clothes Dryer. The Euhomy Compact Portable Clothes Dryer is celebrated for its ability to fit seamlessly into small spaces while delivering satisfactory drying results. This dryer can meet your needs for capacity and power, offering a choice between 3 models and sizes. Additionally, it can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its compact design makes it a suitable choice for apartments, dormitories, rooms, or RVs. While it's on the smaller side, it's a significant upgrade for those who have been without a dryer. Additionally, we appreciate its multiple drying modes including cool down, warm, hot, anti-wrinkle, air dry, intelligent, and eco mode, which help cater to different drying needs while also offering an energy-saving option. The stainless steel design and the full rotation mode ensures clothes are dried evenly and quickly, making the clothes comfortable and soft. The dryer is also notable for its ease of assembly and simplicity, with a notable feature being its quiet operation, which allows for a peaceful environment even when the dryer is running. It's even possible to creatively place it in bathrooms or under counters in studio apartments, and the ease of moving it around, especially when casters are attached, is appreciated. The addition of a multifunctional drying mode, quality stainless steel design, and eco-energy saving mode, along with an intuitive setup in general, makes the Euhomy Compact Dryer a convenient and efficient choice for individuals living in smaller environments or those looking for a portable drying solution. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BCE D26 Compact Dryer. The BLACK+DECKER BCE D26 is a great portable clothes dryer because of its space-saving design and efficient performance, especially appealing to those transitioning from older models or constrained by space. With dimensions of 23.6 inches by 17.1 inches by 27.5 inches, it's a compact unit weighing under 50 pounds with an inside capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, capable of holding a load volume of 8.8 pounds. This dryer runs on a standard 120-volt outlet with a 3-prong plug, requiring no special electrical wiring. This model also seems to have a significant reduction in drying time compared to older models. Additionally, we appreciate its variety of drying modes: air dry, cool, eco, warm, and hot. The eco mode, which starts with cool air and then transitions to hot, and the sensor dry function, which adjusts the heat based on moisture content. This shows smart design that even some full-size dryers lack. With 1400 watts of power, energy efficiency, overheat protection, and the capacity to handle varying load sizes, this dryer is equipped to always get the job done. Despite its compact size, it can accommodate a good number of items, with drying times that will vary based on the load and selected mode. The control panel's placement at the bottom of the machine isn't the best design choice, particularly for those unable to stack it above a washer. You can mitigate this by raising the unit off the floor with an adjustable appliance stand for easier access to controls and a better air circulation around the dryer. The machine is reasonably quiet as well, and the convenience of having a dryer in small living spaces or in places without specialized electrical setups, like cabins, is particularly appreciated. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER BCE D26 Compact Dryer stands out for its compact design, ease of use, varied drying modes, and the ability to significantly cut down on drying times, making it a worthwhile consideration for those in need of a space-saving, efficient, and portable clothes drying solution. Do you still need a little more help deciding on the best portable clothes dryer for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.